What's up, guys? Welcome to Revline89. Today we are unboxing our Spectre Performance Air Filter. I'm hoping to use this with a custom setup, with a custom idea that I want to do. But I'm not sure if it's going to work out how I want it to. But this is a really nice filter. So even if my plans do not work out, maybe we could still use the filter. I don't know, it is pretty big versus what we want to do. But the whole point will be, wow, this is really nice. Will be to connect a hose to here. That's going to run for our shaker air intake system hookup with the Pro-Charged Mustang. That's a mouthful, and you guys are going to have to subscribe to see more about that and see if we can actually do it. If we can, that would be awesome.